Want to automatically send RSS feed updates into Airtable and generate AI summaries for every new post? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect RSS app to Airtable using a webhook, and then set up an Airtable automation that uses OpenAI to summarize each RSS item as it comes in. Let's start by creating your RSS feed. Open RSS.app. This tool lets you turn any website or social media page into an RSS feed, even if the site doesn't provide one. Paste in your RSS feed URL, or if you don't have one, paste the website you want to follow and we'll generate it for you automatically. Click Save to My Feeds and then customize it as needed. You can add filters to include or exclude posts by keyword, or combine multiple feeds into a bundle. Once your feed is ready, switch over to Airtable. Open your base, go to Automations, and click Create New. Choose Add Trigger, then select when a webhook is received. Airtable will generate a webhook URL. Copy that for later. Now return to RSS.app. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and open Webhooks. Paste the webhook URL from Airtable and click Add Webhook. Click the three dots next to it and toggle on Apply Filters so your feed filters also apply to the data being sent. Choose the feed you want to send, or leave it blank to send updates from all feeds, and click Send Test. You should see a 200 OK response confirming everything is connected. Switch back to Airtable. You should now see the RSS data appear in the preview. Next, let's create a record in Airtable for each RSS post. Click Add Advanced Logic or Action, choose Create Record, and select the table where you want to save your RSS data. Map each field from the webhook payload, such as title, link, publish date, summary, or image URL, into your Airtable columns. Then click Generate a Preview to confirm everything looks correct. Click Test Automation to create your first sample record. Now that your RSS data is flowing into Airtable, let's set up the AI summarization step. Create a new automation. For the trigger, choose when a record is created and select the same table where your RSS posts are stored. Choose an existing record as the test example. Next, click Add Advanced Logic or Action and select Generate with AI, Generate Text. Write your prompt. For example, analyze the implications of this RSS post for the tech industry in 2 to 3 sentences. Click the plus icon inside the prompt and insert the fields the model should use, like the title and summary created from the webhook. Choose your AI model and randomness settings, then click Test Action to generate your first AI summary. Now we'll save that summary back into the record. Click Add Advanced Logic or Action again and choose Update Record. Select your RSS table, and for the record ID, insert the Airtable record ID from the trigger step. Choose the field where your AI summary should go, and map in the response from the Generate Text action. Click Generate a Preview to confirm the summary appears where it should. Then click Test Automation, select a test record, and run it. Airtable will generate the summary and write it back into your table. If everything looks correct, toggle the automation on. And that's it. Your full workflow is live. RSS app sends every new post to Airtable through the webhook. Airtable stores it as a record, and a second automation generates an AI summary for each new update. Start your automation today at RSS.app.